Hi everyone, I am Soumyadeep Ghosh. I am an AI software solutions engineer at Intel. And here I'll be demoing protein folding with ESM Fold done on the Intel Gaudi 3 AI accelerator. So protein folding is one of the important AI for science workloads. So our body is made up of a lot of proteins. They perform variety of functions in our body, ranging from our digestion to our breathing and so on and so on and so on. So understanding the 3D structure of proteins is very important because that determines how they function. And it's also important for drug discovery and a lot of other therapeutic spaces. So in this demo, we'll be showing the inference of a 3D structure of a human protein on Gaudi 3. This particular protein is called the AGO2 human protein. It has 859 amino acids. It is used for the treatment of Huntington's disease. It's used in a technique called gene silencing, which is used for the treatment of that disease. So you can see the simulation running live here on an Intel Gaudi 3 on the Supermicro data center. And this is the final 3D structure of that protein. Now, this particular example has been made available in the Optimum Habana GitHub repository that users can download and try out. In addition to this example, there are lots of other examples like object detection, language modeling in this library, which runs on Gaudi 3, and it's free to use. It's open source, so developers can just download and try this out. So in conclusion, I'd like to say that Gaudi is a quite competent product. It can run these AI for science workloads as well, in addition to the conventional Gen AI and LLM-based workloads like RAGs. So if you are interested, Gaudi 3 is launched now. It's broadly shipping, and it will soon be available in the Intel Tiber Cloud as well. So do give it a try, and thank you for listening.